Hi, welcome to Wingops tutorial on how to create work orders using the tasks templates. The first option is to create a work order directly from the Templates tab. Open your template and choose the tasks you want to include. You can select specific individual tasks or add the entire list at once. Next, you can decide whether you want to add them to an already existing work order or create a new one. For this example, let's create a new work order. The work order is now created, and you can fill in the remaining necessary details. Note that because this work order was generated from a general template, it is not automatically linked to a specific aircraft or item yet. You will need to manually add those details. The second method is to add the tasks from the template directly when creating a new work order under the Work Order tab. To do so, let's first navigate to the Work Orders tab. Hover over the plus work order and click Select Template. Choose your template from the menu, select the specific tasks you need or the entire list, and click Select. The third method is to pull tasks directly from a template into a previously created work order. To do that, let's first create the work order. Hover over the plus work order button and click Add New. It is important to note that the work order type must match the template type. You cannot use an item task template on an aircraft work order and vice versa. Since the template we are using this time is for an item, we will create an item type work order. Click Save. Now, let's add the tasks. Navigate to the Tasks tab within your work order. Hover over the plus task button and choose Select Task. Choose your template from the menu. Select the specific tasks you need, or the entire list, and click Select. That is how you quickly build a work order from a template. Thank you for watching.